What's up,
Alright, am I
guys?
going on this
Today,
side?
we're gonna play Friday Night Partying on Angry Bird mode.
Yeah, Angry Bird mode is hard mode.
Okay, I'm gonna pick the tutorial.
What's the baby ball?
One, go!
Alright, that's right, up here, let's go.
Left, right, left, right. That's how you do it. Up, down, up, down. That's how you do it. Left, up, down, right. Down, down, up, down, down, right.
We typed it right after that we did it.
Right.
Yeah, but I only got one. Oh! What the Rizzler?
I'm the Rizzler, bro. I did it.
Show you.
All right, Sebastian, let's do another song.
Whoa, beating me! Now I'm gonna put you in the beat!
Okay, I'm gonna do
What did you?
easy mode on this one.
One, go!
Fatty bird mode?
Yeah. Alright, this was easy.
Oh no, but I got 8 misses. How much did you get?
I don't know, I didn't look.
No!
Okay, let's try again.
Oh, no, I don't want to do this song again. I'm such an angry
Let's put it on Angry Bird mode.
Oh no! I'm gonna freaking
Three, two, one, go!
I am a Rizzler.
I am a Rizzler.
Left, right, left, right.
Like,
That's how you do it. Up, down, up, down. That's how you do it. Left, up, down, right. Down, down, up, down, down, right. Down, right,
I'm gonna do Angry Bird mode.
bro, I know how you win.
Yo, I did it without getting a single miss.
Not fair.
You beated me.
Okay, let's try again.
No, I'm mad.
Okay, but Sebastian, I'll make it fair for you. Where the heck are you?
Honey, tell me that, John.
Sebastian, let's put it on Angry Bird mode.
Why are you chasing me, Fat John? Bro, no more Angry Bird mode, cause you beat me, so I'm going to beat this one.
Okay, what did you
What do you say? Yellow Angry Bird mode?
Yellow Angry Bird mode?
That's normal mode, and green Angry Bird mode is easy.
No, Easy Bird mode. And the hard mode is Angry Bird mode.
Alright, I put it on easy.
Why easy peasy lemon wheezy?
That's what you said. Bro, you look camouflage. Bro, you look ridiculous.
Left, right, left, right.
Yeah.
That's how you do it.
Hard. Hard. Now left, up, hard, down, right.
Bro, I only missed one. Oh my god, I'm such a loser. I have no fingers.
What the? You beated me.
How? Oh yeah, cause I got all the no's.
Well, you just missed only one.
But I got 3 misses.
Sebastian, I'm gonna do, okay, let me check. I'm gonna put this on Angry Bird mode. Do you want me to?
Oh frick.
Wait, do you seriously want me to?
No.
Okay, I'll put this on easy mode.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. I'm
Left,
angry.
left, right.
Left, right, left, right. That's how you do it. Up,
Down, up, down. That's how you do it. Left, up,
down,
right. All right, Sebastian, let's see who got beaten. Dude, you beated me.
It was a.
I'll take it.
I can't. Put away my costume.
Good morning, Lucky.
Wouldn't that? Wait, Sebastian, what did you say?
I have to throw away my costume, dude.
Okay.
There.
Okay, guys.
Alright.
Well, that's it for the day. If you wanna,
Yeah.
oh, never mind. Sebastian's back. Okay, let's see. Let's do it again.
Oh, like in the tutorial?
Now we're gonna do monster.
Wait, baby. 2, 1, go! Why are you doing that animation, bro? Bro, you look goofy.
Guess it's time you better plug in all your nightlights. What's up there that's your darkened door?
Bro, we're disconnected.
Oh, come on.
Just the answering about for sure.
Andrew is a chunky baby balls. Oh yeah.
Dude, it was a tie.
Andrew, wait, Andrew, are you the Rizzler or are you the Fatler?
I'm the Rizzler.
Bro, you're the Fatler.
Hey, yo.
What? Goofy fingers.
Goofy, what?
Goofy fingers.
Let's put it on Angry Bird mode.
Angry fart mode. Oh. Fart diapers. Fart baby balls.
Funny. Ah!
Bro, why do you look like Skibbity Rizzler?
Because I'm a Rizzler.
Skibbity! Andrew with the Rizzler. Scooby-Doo!
Dude, I
It's
can
over.
see green feet and we're the same size.
Oh no, I'm taller than that baby team. Look at me, bro, I'm taller.
Sebastian, my name is John Pig.
Bro, why do you get to choose the song? I don't
Okay.
even get to.
Okay, I'll just leave this
John.
and then you can choose a song.
Alright. It's me, Amalio. Should we do playtime, silly Billy, or tutorial?
Playtime.
Alright.
Sebastian,
I put
I
it
told
on.
you. What did you put it on? Hard mode?
2, 1, go. Yup.
Holy crap! Why are you doing this?
have fat fingers or would you rather have fat toes?
Oh no. But who won?
It's a tie.
Wow. Okay, you can choose the song.
Could it be any song?
Yeah, but not a very extremely hard one.
I'm doing introduction.
Intro what? Shin?
Introduction. It's a Baldy song.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me. Oh,
So long. It's 1890. Yeah, I don't want to do this song ever again.
I am the Rizzler. Wait, did you beat me? Let's see.
Let's see who got beaten. What the? It's a tie, dude.
No, it's barely close to the middle.
Oh, I see now. But let's not do that song ever again.
Well, Andrew, can we play Danny Fork RP and do a movie?
Okay, guys. So, this is it for the video. If you want to see more of our videos, like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment our videos if you think that we did good. Bye.